Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond the Storm 96. I am Tatiana. I'm here with some more channel messages for you all, okay? We be learning about the star anise, which is the Illicium vermin free. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what it means in my definition, what it means in real life, and what it means spiritually. Now, what I got when I was dissecting this is poison. Okay, some of y'all are getting poisoned by this star anise. Also, this for my people in my city is Vedic. Now we also take Vedic down here. Okay, this might not be for y'all because y'all don't smoke Vedic, but we smoke Vedic. Okay, especially my sister that set us up. She smoked Vedic, so I guess this came after her. I don't know. I ain't trying to get her in trouble, cause her name's still on us, but some regarding Thedic, I guess when they raped her or something. But yes, y'all. So y'all might be taking Thedic as well in weed or any drug. Okay, Thedic is like the lowest of PCP. Okay, I think it's all the drug combined. You can ask Offset. Okay, he the creator. So I don't know. I took Thedic one time. And I went, yeah, I did go crazy, but not like PCP. Static is lower than the PCP, for God's sakes. I don't know. It's just incense or something like that. I smoked it before. The first time, yeah, it was bad. The second time, it was alright. But I'm gonna stick with my PCP though. But yes, y'all. But I know there's a lot of people down here that do Thedic. Okay? So let's begin. What it means physically. So the star anise, which is the Illicium vermin free, poison, means an Asian evergreen tree known for its star-shaped licorice flavored fruits. People harvest and dry these seed pods to use as a popular cooking spice. A natural remedy and a key ingredient in making antiviral medicine like Tamiflu. So kind of like that. Like I said, it's all the drugs combined, right? Yes, cause my best friend she do it. Culinary Use flavor. It tastes like street black licorices dishes. It is a main ingredient in Chinese 5-spice powder. Pairings. Chefs use it to flavor soups, stew, meats, and teas. Health and medicine. The star of medicine. The pods are a rich source of shikimic acid. This is a key building block used to make the flu medicine, Tamiflu. Traditional use. For thousands of years, people have used it in teas to soothe stomach aches. Science. It contains natural plant oils that fight off harmful bacteria and fungi. If it finds you now. Like my best friend said, if it find you now, okay? It found me one time, but I'm not a aesthetic person. I'm a PCP person. I'm an angel dust person. Okay, I'm gonna stick with my angel dust. Important safety warning. Always ensure you buy full Chinese star anise, Illicium verum, a close relative, the Japanese star anise, Illicium into some. Yeah, I did for my best friend because she ain't been looking right. She need her shit, okay? Looks almost identical, but it's highly toxic and unsafe to eat. Always purchase your spices from trusted brands or verified food markets. Okay? Now, I'm finna tell y'all the spiritual meaning. So don't, I'm just saying, she need her shit. Okay? And we finna get it back. Okay? The star nice spiritual meaning for them represents protection, good luck, and spiritual awakening. Its signature 8-pointed star shape connects it to universal energy and psychic power. Burning it at incense clear away negative energy. So smoking it. Many people also lose the pies as charms to invite wealth and sweet love. Here's a breakdown of what this sacred spice means. Protection. People burn star anise to clear bad energy from a room. It acts like an energetic shield. It wards off nightmares when placed near your bed. Psychic growth. The star shape symbolizes the true star. It helps open the mind. Many people lose it doing meditation or divination to boost their inner voice and intuition. Yes, good luck and sweetness. Because of its naturally sweet licorice's flavor, the spice is used to sweeten your life. People carry the pies in small bags to draw in good luck and love. True. Sacred connection. In Japan, the evergreen tree is planted near temples and tombs. Some do, some don't, okay? It depends if it shows you. The number 8 is also sacred in many Eastern cultures. It stands for balance and infinite flow. And that's what it means if you are getting star anise, okay? Now, if you're not from my city, you can't take it. Okay, hopefully this helps you all. Enjoy.